Hi, today I'm going to show you how to replace the batteries on a 2 gig smoke and heat detector. First, you need to place your account on test or disregard through the Vector Security online portal or by contacting our central station. Once that's done, this is what you do. Normally, this unit will be mounted on the ceiling. To remove the detector from its base, twist it counterclockwise. Remove the old AAA batteries. Wait 20 seconds before inserting new batteries to ensure a proper power down sequence. Once your 20 seconds is up, put the new AAA batteries in and snap the battery cover back in place. Next, you would reinstall the detector onto the mounting base by turning it clockwise until the mating marks align. After the power-up sequence, the green LED should blink about once every 12 seconds to indicate normal operation. Remember to contact your central station to make sure your system's back online. If you're a Security Care Plus customer, don't forget to schedule a system inspection every 2 years and we'll change the batteries out for you.